2018 Chevy Silverado wheel brake replacement. This procedure applied to the GMC Sierra, Chevy Suburban, the Yukon XL, the same procedure. So let's start by removing the brake caliper. It is a 30mm. Also, you also need a 21mm wrench you put in the back so you can hold the pin in place while you're removing the 30mm for the caliper. It is loose right now. Now let's take the caliper out. Just like this. And put it in place like that. You got the brake pads, and metal to metal pretty much. They look original because this clip is here. Got two clips holding it in place. Those are original brake holders. Let's remove the brake hardware, by the way. Let's compress the caliper while we at it. You're gonna use you can use the C-clamp for this, by the way, but since I have the tool, I'm just gonna be using it. It's a lot easier. Caliper is compressed. Remember, before you do that, to remove your reservoir cap, by the way. So I have the pin move freely. I'm still going to re-grease them. Now let's remove the brake caliper bracket. It is held by two 18mm, one on top and one at the bottom. I'm removing the brake caliper bracket right now. I'm using my air gun with the swivel and 18mm. Let's get it off. I already got the bottom one out, so I'm doing the top right now. Now we will be removing the clip. It's two of them on each side, right? You're going to use a pick like this, get in between the water, the clip, and break it. You don't have to reuse it. Just one time use, guys. The same thing at the bottom. Now let's remove the brake holder. I'm gonna use a hammer like this. Hit it so it can come out and get it loose. Just like that, it's out. So we're gonna be cleaning the hub. Okay, inspect the parking brake while you're at it. Look pretty good. 90,000 miles on this vehicle. Let's clean it up. Much better. Much better. Now let's clean the channel on the brake caliper bracket. Right, so the arbor can go and flush. Got new orders in. Let's remove the rose protection. The brake cleaners. Just like that. Put the new hardware in. Just like that. Right. Let's put it in. I grease both ends of the brake pads so they can move freely and the bracket. There you go, just like that. There you go, guys. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I have a video on how to replace the front brakes on the Suburban. It is the same procedure as the Silverado, Yukon, and the Tahoe and Suburban. This is the same procedure. So I'll post the link of the video in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.